Timeline. You can choose to use a timeline to break down the creation of the website into smaller sections. The finish date for the completion and launch of the website must also be included in the timeline. The timeline can be represented by this diagram entitled Website Design and Development. So on this diagram, the project starts on the left and the project life cycle goes from left to right. So this is a start and this will be the end right here. This top right hand corner here will be the end of the project. And so we start here, it says project begins here. We start with the project needs here, which are the requirements. And I made a video some time ago which would speak about those requirements, and these are some other videos which I made to explain the different parts of the web design and development process. So after we have gathered our requirements for the website project, then we would structure the website in terms of linking the different web pages and putting them in some order as shown in this diagram here. So we'd have created our taxonomy creation for the different web pages in the website structure. After we have done the website structure, then we would structure the different web pages that are on the website, right? And one way that you can structure the web page is to have 7 components on the web page if you choose to go that route in terms of the design. So once you have established the structure for your web pages, then you can use a layout design to set out those 7 components on each of the web pages. Now, after you have completed setting out the layout, right, then you can add content to the website. After you have completed adding the content to the website, then you would need to evaluate the website to see if it fulfills the project needs, which was set out at the start. Then, once the website is fulfilling the need, then we will launch website and then you could maintain the website, right? Now, the project begins here and these lines represent the different milestones for the project life cycle, right? So these lines could represent days, weeks, months, or years, depending on the size of the website project. Development. After we have done our design and our planning, then we need to put this design into code so that the website can be made or created. So we could use HTML code, we could use HTML and CSS code as an example. And also, if we have an e-commerce site, we could perhaps integrate the databases into our website. Testing. We need to test the website after we have finished building it or creating it so that we can test if the website can work on different browsers. And also we need to determine, has the website fulfilled the requirements that were set out in the beginning of the planning process of the website. Then once we have finished testing and we have solved all the bugs, then we're going to launch websites. And in this phase, we make the website accessible to the users via the World Wide Web.